So we're out and it's really, really nice conditions at the moment. Last time it was horrific. There is a lot of wind and a lot of waves, so this time it's really nice, and we're gonna go out, see if we can catch ourselves some fish. There's a bite. Just gotta keep steering clear. Oh no, hang on. I'll probably just turn myself around. Oh, it's come off. Oh, nice. Yeah. Another bite. This one seems bigger. About 20 seconds later. Oh! Let's have a look. Pretty small pollock. Still cool though. I need to do some fishing. Can we do some feathers just for a bit? Okay, nice, second fish. Not for me though. Okay, so we've stopped near like a yellow buoy thing. It's quite nice conditions and we're just doing some mackerel feathers. So I'm hoping to catch my first fish. My dad's already caught 2, but they were too small, so we're just gonna stay here and do some feathers for now. So we've stopped at another spot. That little buoy wasn't really doing much, so we're much closer into the shore now. We're around some rocks. The water's still fairly deep, but hopefully we can get something here. I'll try and film it if I do get something. Okay, so we've come all the way along the beach to the other side, and we're just gonna keep doing some feathers. I've been trolling for a while, but nothing yet. We're gonna keep trying, and then after this little session we'll probably head back. But we'll see. Oh, I've got snagged. There we go. Okay, wait. Yeah, okay, that's alright. So I don't know if you can see, but my dad's got, I think he's got a fish. We've been paddling for a long time, we've come quite far, but he's finally got a fish. I've still not got a fish on either of these 2 trips, which is really irritating, but still, at least he's got a fish. Is it still on? Oh, nice! No! Yeah! Let's go over and see if we can see it. What? Is it good? Oh, look. Oh, look. 2 pollock. Geez, the only thing... Oh, there's 3 of them. 4 of them. Whoa. Nice. Look at all of that. Wait, let's see. It might be. I'm not sure. It's up to you. I don't mind. You can keep them if you want. They're not that big. Okay, well maybe I'll get my line out. Anyway, that was another good catch.